As we have already seen how to create a module in Tosca, now we'll see what all default properties a module has. As soon as a module is created, it has some default properties. Tosca also adds some properties during scanning and identification process. In this video, we'll focus on one important property of the module, that is cardinality. Now let's jump into Tosca to see more details. I have a module created over here for login screen of Salesforce. Now let's drag and drop it onto a test case, which I have already done. So if you see, a single test step is created along with single X test step values. So for any value of cardinality, Tosca creates single X step values. By default, the cardinality value is 0 to 1 for all the module attributes. This means that an X step value is initially created as a wildcard for each X module attribute. Only one X step value is created. Now let's change the cardinality value to 1 and again drag and drop this module onto the test case. Now let's see what happened over here. So again only one X step value is created as a wildcard, and here now the action mode is automatically set to default action mode of this module attribute. So if we go to this module attribute, the default action mode is input. So here it is by default set for us. Now you just need to specify the value and proceed. Moving on to the next cardinality value, let's specify it as 0 to n. Now let's say I want to verify on the screen if this login button is displayed and then perform click operation on it. So in a single test step, we cannot perform two operations. So that's why if we specify the cardinality as 0 to n, we can make use of this module attribute as a X step value multiple times. So now if I drag and drop this onto the test case, here I'll first verify if it is displayed, visible, true, verify, and then I can perform the click operation on it. So I need not create two different test steps to verify the existence of the button and to perform the click operation on it. If I specify it from 0 to n, I can make use of this module attribute multiple times in a test step as a test step value. And the next and the last value we can specify is from 1 to n. This means that at least one value must be generated. So let's see. So if we take a look at here, the default action mode is by default selected, and we have to select at least one X test step value. So that is how different values of cardinality property can be used as per your use case. And the most important value is from 0 to n, wherein you can make use of the X test step value multiple times in a single test step. This reduces the number of test steps required in a test case, making it more readable, and it's a best practice to have the less number of test steps. Now, so that we have understood what cardinality is and how it is used, we'll see some more examples about it in our upcoming videos. Thank you.